Look at that. GT7 31X7. Oh my gosh, we're going to knock another one off the list.
Nice.
All right, so look, first of all, not all Class A's have to be $800,000, okay? This is beautifully built. Now, this is not a diesel pusher. It's built on a Ford chassis, so it's gasoline. The real big trade-offs are less towing capacity, and the storage underneath is typically less on these type of units as opposed to the big diesel pushers, okay? You still have storage, it's just not gigantic, huge pass-through like the big boys, okay? So let's go in.
Now this one is for Paul.
All right, Paul.
And we do have another Georgetown to find.
All right, so we're gonna take off the backpack.
Sounds good.
And so you have a really nice cockpit area. Everything's at hand's reach, okay? And these chairs do swivel around. Ooh, they have the heat on in here, Lisa.
Nice.
Oh, thank the Lord.
That. Yes.
The passenger, this is a fold-out tray. And so if you need to do work while you're driving, you can do that. Big, huge glass front, love it. You do have some cabinetry up there as well. Now above here is a bed. And so this will go down on this track. Shoot, stop right there. And there's a ladder hidden somewhere in here that you would connect there. And you have a whole separate sleeping area, and that's probably close to a residential queen.
Yeah, and there are shades here as well.
Yep, so you won't be disturbed by the daylight.
Yeah, day and night shades.
All right, so remember, here's your door when you came in, right there. Right across from the door is your theater chairs. These are all electric. And man, why don't they have the heat waiting for me? I'm kidding. All right. Nice theater chairs, right? LED lit inside.
Look at that. I've never seen that.
Well, interesting enough, like it's all black. It's dark in there. How many times have I had to use my flashlight to see what's down in there?
Many. So somebody's thinking. I love it.
Right? Love that. Couple cup holders, and you got a charging plate to put your phone right in there.
Yes.
Right across from us is the kitchen, but it's also the TV area.
Yes.
Okay, so if you're doing the dishes, however, the person sitting at the chairs is not going to be watching TV.
Yes.
I'm just saying, okay? Not a good thing, not a bad thing, just a thing. But if nobody's doing the dishes, oh, sorry, I thought it was going to flip down. It flips up.
It does.
There's storage behind the TV. All right. So you do have solid surface countertops, guys, right? And they're notched, so this won't slide out going down the road. It's a 50-50 sink. Over here, you've got your cooktop, and it looks like it's 3 burners.
Yep.
There you go, 3 burners. And again, it's also slotted, so they don't fall out going down the road. We'll put those back nice, since that's how we found them. Got a GE convection, oh, nope, not convection. So, sorry about that. And an oven down below. There's cabinetry that wraps the whole area. Doors and drawers. Okay, big storage underneath.
Love it.
Okay. Soft close.
Very
You got a nice side-by-side GE fridge here, which is awesome. Got a food pantry over here. Pull out, which is great. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, it's a little tight, but you can do that. You just got to know. And then down below as well, that's drawers down there. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Behind us is your dinette.
Nice.
There are a couple cup holders built in, so I'm assuming there are also, and again, assuming, but typically there'll be seat belts here. They're just hidden, so you can sit here legally while they're driving down the road. Okay. And that does convert to be a bed. Up here is your fireplace. It's raised up, so you feel that heat nicely. Mm-hmm. Okay. And love the paneling around it.
Yeah, me too.
As you get into the back area, there is a door that closes this off from the rest of the coach. It's a split bathroom. Your sink is going to be on this side, and as you can see, your shower is right here. Okay. From a height standpoint, there are 0 height issues for someone my height at 6'4". You can be 6'9" and be in here. Okay. Shower head is adjustable and can adjust up. That is a perfect position for me.
Nice.
Okay. Got a shelf here, a little bench there. I think it would be awkward to sit there though, because of the faucet and stuff.
Yeah.
But if you wanted to put your foot up to shave or wash or
yeah, but
whatever.
those knobs might be in your back.
Yeah, that's going to be awkward for sitting.
Yeah.
Okay? And then on this side, which by the way, there's also I thought there was a door here. There's not a door here. I thought there might be a door here to close off the bathroom like the other one, but you could just do this.
Oh yeah.
Right? And then the door here, and you got a private bathroom.
Yes.
Okay? This toilet, you know, if you split it up this way, it seems awkward, but it allows you to have great room.
It does.
You know, when you try to squeeze it all into one size, it gets compressed. So the fact that they started splitting them up, it's weird to see, but it actually gives you more space. So I like it. So this is Paul approved. I'm going to be cautious about Fluffy. My left side is against the wall. All right. My right side, there's a little cutout here, so I'm not bumping anything. But if you see where my legs are, there's not a lot more width in here. So if you're bigger than I am, it might be a little tight. So definitely tall approved. Going to be a little cautious on Fluffy. Okay. You have this all one piece built-in vanity sink, if you will. Nice cabinet beneath here. There's a cubby down here as well. Big cabinet here. There's also cabinets above my head. Right there. And then you've got your nice medicine cabinet there. And I love that you got small and large.
Yeah, me too.
I'd almost like to see one more shelf. I don't know. Right? So yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah.
Something's beeping. Everything beeps at us when we walk in today. Oh, look at this too. So this has also got an articulated bed, which allows you to have a nice size bed. So this is an RV king for sure. Definitely see the width, and the length is probably about 80 inches since it's on the thing. See, CPAP station. That's what that is right there, as well as on this side. And there is power right next to it. Okay. I think this is 12. Is this 12 volt? Yep, it's a 12 volt. Oh, no, USB. It just swivels.
Oh, nice.
So you have USB as well. Okay.
Nice.
Cabinetry above. Mm-hmm. And then when you turn around, you've got a whole wall of cabinets, Lisa.
Oh, wow, you sure do.
Yep. So this is going to be a washer dryer.
Already installed.
Yep. Got a nice TV here. You've got some, I'll pull out a lower one so you can see. Big, deep, and long drawers.
Normal. This may even be wider than normal size furniture drawers. Those are big.
Have nice hanging space up in here.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is, again, this is for who?
This was for Paul.
Paul, this is a nice unit, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
If this fit our lifestyle, I would definitely be considering it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Especially with the split bathroom and giving me plenty of space in there.
Yeah.
Definitely nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.